Clever Fox Check Register is a hardcover checkbook that will help you track all of your bank activities. It has 3,410 entry lines total, so it will last for a long time, unlike standard bank registers. Each page has dedicated columns for recording the number of each check, date, description, the amount paid or deposited, and balance. There is also a ticker box to mark the tax-deductible payments and another one for marking all cleared payments. This way, it will be easy to keep an eye on your income and spending. The check register comes in various colors, so you can pick one for each of your bank accounts. It has a convenient A5 size and measures 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches. It will easily fit into your bag, so you can take it with you anywhere you go. The cover is made of premium quality vegan leather, featuring a pen loop, an elastic closure, and a ribbon bookmark. The pages are made of thick pearl white paper that is bleed and smudge resistant. At the back of the book, you will find an expandable back pocket where you can store checks and receipts. And an illustrated user manual will help you ensure you get the most out of using this checkbook. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.